course we have to play United States of America, Peaches song for this, because it's a Peaches segment, don't you think? Would you go with that song?
I would have gone with Justin Bieber.
Oh,
Not gonna lie, but hey.
that's a good one too. But if you're only using peaches for dessert, think again. Nutritionist, corporate wellness educator, our friend Jessie Langley is showing us creative and healthy ways to enjoy Ontario peaches all day long with 3 easy recipes, perfect for the late summer. Hello, Jessie.
Hello.
What a wonderful table you put together.
Oh, I'm so excited to share these recipes. Peaches are like my favorite fruit, and I wait all year for this. We know where they're good in Ontario.
Okay.
So, a couple questions. Oh, no, go ahead. How do you know how to pick the peaches in the store?
That's a good question. Well, I find I like to get them when they're still just a little bit firm, because then I know I can ripen them the way I want. I usually have like 2 on the counter, the rest in the fridge, and I bring out 1 or 2 every day.
Okay.
Yeah, because if you have them all on the counter at once, they'll ripen too fast, and then you're like, what do I do with them? And then you eat them.
Because you like the juicy when you bite in. Like
Oh
it's
yeah,
like
dripping
you're
down
wearing
my
it on your
shirt,
shirt.
all over my
And
shirt.
you?
I'm more of like, I like a simple, I don't want like super hard because I don't find that the flavor isn't
That's
there.
right.
I want like the in between. Still maybe a little crunch, but still a little softness.
I like it like you like it.
Yeah?
Yeah, nice. And I love using peaches for like a salsa.
Yes.
So with red pepper, with mango, more savory than sweet.
Yes, yeah, we have a savory dish that we're going to talk about today because it really can go both ways. We love to pair with the sweet, the pies, all of those recipes.
Because the nutritional value of peaches.
Yeah, there's a lot of great health benefits. They're a great source of vitamin C, which is really good for our immune system. Kids are going back to school soon, so we all know what that means. Week 2 of school, everybody's sick. Also, when we eat vitamin C, it helps increase collagen production, so really good with wrinkles.
We love that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the first one is overnight oats. Peachy
Yes.
Keen overnight oats.
Yes,
we're calling
that's
it.
right.
Okay, so how do we make this?
Okay, you two are gonna help me make this. If you want to start, you can throw the oats in. This is 2 cups of oats. The recipe's on my website, so I'm not gonna tell you all the
The
measurements.
oats aren't
Alright.
cooked; they're just going in
Raw, rolled oats, not the quick cream ones.
Okay.
Important. Next, we'll add some coconut, which is the white one there. With the oats and the coconut in here, we've got a really nice source of fiber. This is great for our digestive system, great for keeping our blood sugar balanced. Next up, I'm going to add some protein powder because on its own, not a lot of protein in oats, so we really want to make sure we're getting enough protein at breakfast. The next one is ground flax seeds. These are golden ground flax. I use chia seeds a lot, but flax is so fantastic as a really nice flavor, fiber and healthy fat as well. And then we've got some maple syrup to sweeten just a little bit. You could always
What
add
should
more.
I use to stir this?
Yes, that's good. Yeah, go for it. You can put that maple syrup in. You can sweeten with honey too. It's really nice with honey.
All right.
And then last on your side is going to be the almond milk. Milk of choice,
Any
whatever
milk
you
you
like.
want.
I do almond. I can't really do dairy, so that's why I got the almond
The
milk.
whole thing?
Whole thing.
Okay,
yes.
you got the sweet
2
measure.
cups.
Okay.
Because what happens here is overnight, as this sits in the fridge, because they are overnight oats, the oats and the flax will absorb some of that liquid. And then I'm going to add just some spices here. I like to put ginger. I measure it with my heart. You can put cinnamon if you're a cinnamon girl, but
Yeah, like oats.
yeah.
You don't need much.
No. And then I'm going to add some vanilla. I got the alcohol-free vanilla because we're not cooking this, so I think it just tastes a little bit better. And then some salt just brings out the sweetness and flavors.
Okay.
And then do you add the peaches afterwards, or you add them now?
So it's up to you. I was going to actually invite you, Tim, to add
Sure.
those in. I like to add them now because then the peach flavor gets everywhere. But you could also, after it's sat in the fridge, then you can decorate it in the morning as well. So 2 different things you could do here. One, just throw saran wrap over this thing, chuck it in the fridge. You're good to go. That's about 3 to 4 breakfasts. Sometimes I'll do mason jars if I'm meal prepping, then it's like a grab and go breakfast. Usually
Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
or you can decorate them to look really pretty. You don't have to heat them up. So they're pretty.
I'm going to try this when we get into
Yes.
the salad. We want to make sure we get to the last 2. Tanya, take us
Yes.
through the savory salad.
So this is where we go savory with our peaches. This salad's nice, just baby greens. I've added avocado for healthy fat, some sunflower seeds, some peas. If you're really lucky, you can go to the farmer's market and break them open.
Oh,
Fresh.
yes.
Oh, so good this time of year. I like to put some cheese on here. This would be a great side salad for any barbecues you're going to.
Okay.
Or you could add some sort of like grilled chicken, grilled tofu, grilled shrimp. It would be delicious.
And what's in the dressing?
So this is olive oil, apple cider vinegar, shallots, maple syrup again, and then some Dijon mustard.
Mix all that together.
Yes.
Alright, and there's the salad. And
No,
you go, because you just want to wait for dessert.
I wait for the
Okay.
cake.
That's right.
Let's get to dessert because we have a minute left here, Jess.
This is gingerbread peach upside down cake. This is inspired by something I had at a farmer's market, a little treat I got at a pastry place, and I wanted to make it myself. So it is peaches on the top, so it's the bottom of the pan, then you pour the batter, and then after it bakes, you flip it.
Okay.
So you don't know what you're gonna get until you flip it, but it turns out to be really exciting.
That's gorgeous.
Thank you.
Now, can you freeze peaches? Is it a fruit you can freeze or you recommend not?
Yes, definitely freeze it for smoothies, for any baking, not so much if you're gonna put it in a salad. Yeah.
Okay.
And if you're looking for any of these recipes, they're all on my website, jessielanewellness.com. And if you are planning ahead and looking to meal plan to incorporate peaches into your recipes, I've got a free meal planning template for you there.
Hey, the best. Say hi to the family.
I
Enjoy
will.
the rest of the summer.
You
We'll see you
too.
soon. We'll see you after the break because we're breaking down the most common warning signs our bodies give before a more complex injury occurs. I will eat my wonderful cake here.
We'll be right back.
We'll be right back after that.
Take pictures. So if you want to take a group picture of them, that'd be great. And I'll
I
take
love it.
this.
You're throwing with a